It seems like many Throne and Liberty players have been encountering the kicked by easy anti-cheat issue, especially after maintenance. The easy anti-cheat system is meant to keep the game fair, but it's causing unexpected kicks for many players. Although the Throne and Liberty team hasn't provided a permanent fix, there's a temporary solution you can try. First, open your Steam library, right-click on Throne and Liberty, and select Manage, then browse Local Files. Next, find the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Hold Shift and right-click on Easy Anti-Cheat _EOS_setup.x, then select Copy as path. Open Notepad and paste the path you copied. Add, install 58dec5a 58e8f4ce6 beca 223311f65b4c to the end of the path. Press Win key plus R to open the run prompt. Paste the full path and command, then select Yes if prompted. Restart your game client and see if the issue is resolved. This should help you get back into the game. If this method doesn't work, try disabling the Steam overlay as another potential workaround. Stay tuned for an official fix from the Throne and Liberty team. Until then, game on without interruptions.